Imagine dropping your laptop on concrete, drenching it in water, and then using it in the middle of a snowstorm without it skipping a beat. Sounds impossible, right? Well, not for this machine. Today, I'm going to show you a laptop built for the toughest environments on Earth. And by the end of this video, you'll see why the new Getac V120 isn't just another rugged device, it's a survival tool. The Getac V120 is a 12.2-inch 2-in-1 laptop designed for professionals who work where tech fails. Think defense, utilities, emergency response, and extreme fieldwork. This beast is IP66, MIL STD 810H, and MIL STD 461G certified. Translation, it can survive 4-foot drops, water jet sprays, dust storms, and violent shocks. Oh, and it works in temperatures from -29 degrees Celsius all the way up to 63. That's from frozen tundras to scorching deserts. But toughness isn't the only story here. Inside, it's powered by Intel's latest Core Ultra 5 or 7 processors with up to 64 gigs of DDR5 RAM and as much as 2 terabytes of NVMe storage. In plain English, it's rugged, but it's also fast. Now let's talk about the display. A 12.2-inch 1000 nit touchscreen at 1920 by 1200. That's bright enough to use under direct sunlight, something field workers desperately need. And connectivity? This thing doesn't compromise. Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, Gigabit Ethernet, plus optional 4G or even 5G. It's also got dual Thunderbolt 4 ports, 2 USB-A ports, HDMI 2.0, and a 5-megapixel camera with stereo speakers and dual mics for clear communication in the field. Battery life is another clever design. Dual hot-swappable batteries. That means if one runs out, you just swap it without shutting down, keeping your work uninterrupted. And despite all that, it weighs just 2.1 kilos, rugged but still portable. So here's the big picture. The Getac V120 isn't just a laptop, it's a mission-ready tool for environments that would destroy ordinary machines. Whether you're in law enforcement, military, utilities, or rescue operations, this device is designed to keep going when everything else quits. The Getac V120 launches in October 2025. And if you're in the kind of job where reliability can mean the difference between mission success and failure, this might just be your next essential tool. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, would you trust your work to a laptop this rugged?